this topic, we are going to talk to you about how to build or amend your website. And of course, we will start from your web page. It can be a web page or landing page. Of course, I will tell you the difference between landing page and a web page, how to edit a web page, as well as how to add a new web page. For example, you have a new campaign, new product to sell, and so on. Now let's jump into a demo website so that I can show you live. So this is a demo website, and here we have a logo, the top menu, home, case studies, contact us. So this is what the customer see from the front end. Customer will see this website, and for us, we are going to log in from the back end. For example, you have gotten your account and then you log in. What you need to focus is very simple. Nothing but pages. Click pages. It's just like Facebook. You have pages, manage page. So in our platform, we call it pages or web pages. And these are the pages that you can see over here. And based on this example, we have made the sample. And we are going to make some amendment, as in the first topic is what is the difference between a web page and a landing page. Alright, make it very simple. A web page is a page that you can see logo usually on the top and the menu on the top as well. Besides that, you will see the footer menu. This is a normal case of a web page, and normally come with contact us form, whereas a landing page doesn't have all these things. Logo is not on the top, put it this way, it's not on the top. And then this is the home page, right? So how do I make the a web page to become a landing page in a single click? So go to the pages, click quick edit from default template to blank template, and then save it. Okay, update, click update. And this is the best part using our platform. Immediately you can convert a web page to landing page and vice versa, just a single click, so that you are not required to buy a click funnel here and there, have too many accounts for you to manage, and besides you are paying a lot of costs. Refresh the page, and immediately you see is much I don't call it a better, but you see it differently. Why? Because you don't see the top menu anymore. So whenever you want to make any promotion, you call it a landing page, and this is how you do it. Very easy. So now I have covered the landing page versus a web page. Now I'm going to show you how to edit a page. First, you can go to the back end, which is here, and I suggest you, if you want to make changes on this page called About Us. For example, I make some mistake by the page name. What I can do is I can quick edit About Us. Okay, I just pretend to make some changes. I call it About Me. Alright, once I change the title, I need to change the slug or the URL as well, so that it match, right? It match About Me. The same thing, once it's done, I click update. So when you go to the front page, you click refresh. You won't see it because it's a landing page. I need to set the home page back to a default one so that you can see the menu. Click refresh. I have made the About Us to become About Me. This is how simple it is. This is a web page name, the name of the page. Now I'm going to make changes to edit. So how do you edit? What you can do is you can edit from by looking at the page. For example, I click About Me page first. This is the step or option 1. You click edit visual. This is much better for you or easier for you. And usually, as you can see, we open in a new tab. You don't use the same tab, open in a new tab so that you can switch the window easily. Click Start Building if the account is new, and immediately you are there to make the changes accordingly. Here I will show you some of the basic elements. Whatever you want to make changes, you just point to it. Point to this, and that's where you make changes. Okay, for example, I want to make About Us, but I don't see anything that I can do compared to Professional. Number 2, Professional. Number 3, Loyal. Let's say I click on the Setting button, and that's where it allowed me to make changes based on Professional. What you see is what you get. This can be done easily. And then if you were to copy from other source, for example Excel file, Microsoft Words, or even you copy the information from your competitors, your old website, Google websites, into the new platform, you cannot simply copy from there, but you need to copy and put in the notepad. This is how I show you. For example, this is in a web page or your competitor page or your Microsoft Words file. So what I said just now, that is, when you copy something from other source into your own website or web page, what you need to do is click copy, and then you need to put in the notepad, paste. Then only a shortcut is Control A, or you highlight everything, or Control A or highlight, copy, then only you put into your web page. Why? Because we need to clear the existing format, and that's where it gives you the right and professional design. Okay, let me show you. Okay, once this is done, I click the green color button. Okay, so again, in a summary, what you see is what you get, and then whatever changes you want to make, over here we are going to highlight or focus on the text alone, and I want to make the changes over here. So again, find the setting button, the nearest setting button, and that's where it's about this. This is the about. If I make it simple for you, I call it top. You can remove it. Why is it there? Is it good? You can make some tagline or whichever it is. Because of the color, it looks good. What if you want to make changes on the color? Go to design, and then what is the text about? If you don't know whether it's a body text, subtitle text, you just mouse over it. Okay, in this case, it's called title text, and highlighted is H1. You don't need to know what is H1. You can change the font to your desire or preferred font. For example, I like this Robo 2, and you can see the font change. I can select Ultra Bold or whichever, and I can choose the color I like. Sometimes it's not what you like, sometimes it's to match the corporate color. Okay, done. This part is done, and I want to make it slightly bigger from 14 to 15. When this is done, then you click. So this is how you make changes on the text as well as the color, the size, the font. Okay, I will scroll down and I will see if there is anything I didn't cover. It would be the same. You don't highlight the green color. The green color is not a text. You need to look for this setting button. The same thing, the text. Here I'm going to cover text only, not the pictures, not the video. Once I do that, you can make use of it easily. So here we are covering the text part of the web page, as in how you manage or edit or amend an existing web page. Once it's done, you click these three buttons, three dots as in option, and then click save. Remember, whenever you save something, what you do is, before you exit or log out, click exit Visual Builder, take a look and double check what you have done before you log out. So this is what I have done. The font, the size, as well as this, I add in a small icon or favicon or whatever you call it. I change the text. I copy from the other source. I put in a notepad. From there again, then only I copy from notepad into my website so that it will match the original format that I wanted, so that it looked professional. And then, yep, that's where I cover a web page. Now I'm going to show you the last part of this topic, which is, right now I have home, studies, services, about me, and contact us. How am I supposed to add a new page? For example, I have a new page. How am I supposed to do that? So what you do is you add a new page. There are three options for you to add a new web page. Close this. I call it new page. And this is the title of the web page. And what you do is, okay, assuming you want to make a new page under services. So this is, I'm going to show you how it look like. I just choose, if there is any parent page under services, I will show you. Then once it's done, okay, I leave it. I use a builder. If it is fall under a certain top menu, otherwise you don't make any changes over here. Click the second time, use DV Builder, which is our software. These are the three options. Build from scratch, not for you if you are new. Clone existing page, yes, you can do that. When you clone from existing page, which means you are going to make a clone from any of this page, the design. But I'm going to show you a simple one, that is, okay, I better do it now. Clone an existing page. So from that, it will show you what are the existing pages. You can choose the view mode. Okay, this is much easier to look. For example, I like the design of these services, then I do it. Otherwise, I would not do it. You won't need to do it because this is a sample. Okay, I redo again. I continue from fresh. I add a new page, and then it pop up these three. I choose the existing design layout. I call it the layout. And all these selections are given to you free. You just choose whatever that you like. And the web page I was trying to create, it is new page. New page. Okay, so seems like I like this page. I click and then I try to look. This is very nice design. You know, these three columns, I like this. Then I click use this layout. The best part is that you can use any layout in any pages as long as it looks professional, as long as you like it, you know. Remember, this layout, for example, it is very long, and the best part is that you can delete or remain any particular sections that you wanted, and that's how flexible it is. Alright, so once it's fully loaded, it looks like this. And the same thing, you can start to edit the text, you know. So this is a new page. The title is a new page. And then put in the text description. Alright, here you go. So once it's done, and you just like the whole background of it, but not this button, what you do is see a dustbin, click, there you go, it go missing. And those that you do not like, as what I described just now, any section. So if you were to highlight to this is the blue color section, right? Which means it's going to delete the whole thing. Delete the whole thing. If you think you make a changes, what you do is you Control Z. You press the button CTRL Control and Z, which means is undo. Control Z. So you go back. Alright. So I delete it because I wanted to delete it. And this bridge is okay, this is too much. So again, I delete the whole blue color. I deleted the whole thing. This is too much, I delete it. And once it's done, then only I click to publish. The first time for a new web page, you click publish. The second time you make changes, you just click save. The same thing whenever the changes you make, when it's done, click exit to double check the content before you log out. Why? Because the visitor, your customer, is going to see the same thing. So you need to double check before you leave your website. It's done. Very nice. Okay, done is done. Great. There you go. So this topic cover how to make changes on the name of the page, how to edit a page, as well as how to add a new web page. So I'll continue to see you on the next topic.